What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Good morning, my viewers and my splendious, fabulous, beautify, amazing eye, amazing nations. Subscribers, what are going my viewers and subscribers? I want to do, I want to stay out there. Alright, I hope each and everybody is in one good peace. Yeah, man. Enough respect to each and every one who are watch the videos them, and welcome to all my new subscribers. And you don't know, big up on yourself to all of the my subscribers them where I follow me on the journey. Big up on yourself. Enough respect, guys. You know, guys, here what? Me did I observe and I watch and I observe and now make no video for about 2 days. Yeah? All me I do is just watch videos, watch content creators, like up them video, share up them video, me I give them support. 2 days. Me do it for 2 days. Me no make no videos for myself. Me have videos, but me no post none. But me I support everybody. And guys, yesterday in the evening me see a news. First me see Colors, then me see Farmer Man, then me see J-Bud, then me see what him name T-Bag. Boy Socks in a bad accident, you know. And I have to send out some prayers to Socks. Yeah, man, I pray for Socks last night, you know. And me ask everybody to put a word of prayer in for Socks. Because you don't know, Socks are the fried chicken general. Socks are good youth. Socks not talk much. Socks just enjoy life to the fullest of how him can enjoy it. He went into an accident. Me don't know how the accident go. So me can't talk on that. And me not go talk on things that me don't know nothing about. So me go left it at that. But what me really want to say to each and every content creator, everybody out there, some of these things that you see happen, we as content creators should use them as a stepping stone. Meaning, we see Drizzy Burke in a very dangerous accident, and Drizzy Burke, up till now, Drizzy Burke cannot walk on his own. Drizzy Burke have to depend on crutch. Now, we see Wolipa accident happen in the Color Smith team, yeah? Color Smith and Clymer and Kianta, you know? So, guys, this is another time for I make bad videos. This is just a time for I make videos, you know, just a point in the right direction, and I hope Socks can come out back normal with him foot normal, cause brother, my foot is broke, you know. Yeah man, me I play football and my foot broke. Cause little did many people know me used to play football at a good level. Not Premier League level in a Jamaica. Yeah? So what me really would I like to tell people is this. We don't know what tomorrow have, yeah? We don't know what tomorrow have to offer us. Yeah, none of us know what going to happen to us tomorrow, next week, last week. None of us know. But guys, what me really want to say to each and every one is remember that a God are the man. Yeah? God is the greatest. Yeah, man. And God is the power. we right now we only a live our life through God, you know. So my thing is, it's just sad to know that Sax meeting at that accident and enough prayers for him. But guys, me go say this, and people always ask me how me talk like how me talk, but I just saw me talk, I just saw me think, you know. Use what happened to Sax and Drizzy Burke as a guide towards our future. Yes, YouTube did it, but none of us know what is going to happen to us. Yeah, none of us know what is going to happen to us. Even though we can use whatever happened to us as a content, but we still have to think we don't know what will and can happen to us. So I would like for us as content creator to take a good look at what happened to Sax, what happened to Drizzy Burke, and use those things and know that each day on top of the earth is a very important day. Yeah, man, each day on top of the earth is a very important day, because we don't know what will happen tomorrow. We don't know what will happen next week. We know what happened yesterday because we only see yesterday. Right now it's 8:16, 16 minutes after 8. I don't know what will happen 10 o'clock because I don't see 10 o'clock. So, and I saw me talk, yeah? So, what me have to say to each and every one out there who YouTube is their only income, me ask you, sit down and think about your next move. Sit down and think about what if. Yeah, man. Some of us, we're not thinking about what if because we don't think like that, but you all have to think like that because nobody know what tomorrow may bring, you know. So guys, when I say to each and every one of you, my subscribers them, my viewers them, me myself did I watch some Sax last night because that's the support Sax want now. Me see a video and me goes just say something about this video. Me see a video and the video, the man I say him not sorry for Sax because him tell Sax about the bike. Now, you not sorry for Sax because you tell Sax about the bike. Sax is a human being. Sax is his own person. So if Sax feel like the bike is good for him, that's how he feel. You know, it's a sad thing to know that him broken foot off of the bike. But in this time that Sax need encouragement, in this time when Sax need all the love he can get, all the good words he can get, you make a video say you're not sorry for Sax. Because you see, these are the things where me are telling us, say the YouTube street here is the social media street here is just a different kind of street, and I just don't understand why it is like that, you know. But at the end of the day, guys, at the end of the day, we all have to sit down and look into our life as people and look and think about what can happen. Just as where me and T-Bag say, them just done work and him say him a go do something and them just ride off. Them just left one another. So what me I try to say, guys, is you don't know the time, the place, the space, the hour. You don't know. We don't know. So in other words is, me I ask you see, go over upon Sax page, watch some of Sax videos them, like up the videos them, comment under the videos them, share the videos them. You know, share the video them. And me personally, I won't make another video about Sack situation. I believe right now, just as what J Bud said. J Bud said it the right way, you know. J Bud said him not say nothing about the accident because him never did it. Him don't know what happened. J Bud said Sax is the one to come out, come say what happened, which me think is true. Then again, I believe right now, Sax going to need money for that the foot, because as far as what T-Bag said, something of a, you know what, I'm not going to talk when nobody said, because to be honest with you, I don't even think anybody should not talk about how the incident happened. I don't even think that should not talk. I think, you know, because an accident, police go involved and all of that. So I don't even think that should have out there. But, you know, that's for them business. But listen to what me I say, guys. Me I ask you if you can go over on Sax page, watch Sax videos them, like up the video, share the videos them, comment on the videos them, and watch the ads. Because if Sax never need his subscribers anytime, Sax need his subscribers now more than ever, because Sax going to need money to support himself, money for pay for all medical things that he go need to pay for. So guys, to be honest with you, me really I ask for the support of my subscribers to go over and support Sax. Yeah man, me I ask you know, go on over Sax Adventure. I say go, yeah. Me I go pin it down in the comment section, eh? So you can go over there, go watch Sax. Support Sax. Yeah man, Sax need all of our support right now. Yeah. You know, whether in views, in kinds, in prayers, in anything you can do for Sax right now, me I'm telling you. Sax need all of us right now more than ever, because it could have happened to any one of us. Any one of us, because we ride, we drive, we walk. Any one of us, it could have happened to. So guys, this is my first and final video on the Sax situation. Me go leave it so Sax himself or somebody can make the videos them, and as J Bud say, post it on Sax channel, so that means Sax able to benefit from it, which me think it would be a good thing. Yeah. So until next time, guys, I'm out. Bye bye. Have a nice day, and you don't know prayer and enough prayer and pray for Sax. Enough respect. The chicken done. I'm out, guys. Me I tell you, it can happen to anybody. And guys, before me go fully, always remember that every time on earth you wake up is a good day, because none of us know what and when and where something go happen. My viewers and subscribers, you don't know, enough respect. I'm out.